Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Pokémon Unite on your laptop. Playing mobile games on a larger screen can greatly enhance your experience. The first step involves using an Android emulator, which essentially creates a virtual Android device on your computer. This allows you to download and run mobile applications, including Pokémon Unite, just as you would on a smartphone or tablet, but with the added benefits of your laptop's power and display. Once you've selected an emulator, download the installer from its official website and follow the on-screen instructions for installation. After the emulator is installed, you will need to complete a quick initial setup, which typically involves logging in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the Google Play Store within the emulator. From there, simply search for Pokémon Unite and install it, just like you would on any Android phone. A major advantage of playing on a laptop is customizing your controls. Emulators provide robust key mapping tools, allowing you to assign specific keyboard keys and mouse actions to in-game functions. You can set up movement using the WASD keys and assign your abilities to easily accessible keys like Q, E, R, and F. Additionally, optimize your emulator's graphics settings to ensure smooth gameplay, aiming for a consistent 60 frames per second for the best experience. To maximize your Pokémon Unite experience on a laptop, always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection to prevent any in-game lag. Before starting a match, close any unnecessary background applications that might consume your computer's resources. For enhanced precision and quicker reactions, consider using a dedicated gaming mouse. Finally, take some time to practice in custom games to fully familiarize yourself with your new keyboard and mouse control scheme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.